Hey, what's going on, guys? Danny here with you. In this video, we're going to go over the latest price analysis for Shiba Inu. And as always, this video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. So in yesterday's video, we were talking about how we had possibly been forming a diamond pattern right here. And as you can see right here, we did come out and play sideways. There was no significant price action to the upside or downside. So it does not look like this was a diamond pattern. And we have, however, it looks like we have formed two possible patterns. As you can see right here, we could have formed a descending triangle, and that is in the red right here. And we also could have formed a falling wedge, which is in the blue right here. And as you can see, we have broken out of here. We are right now retesting our high from the other day. Looks like we may or may not break through it, depending on how the RSI looks. We'll check that out in a second. But if we want to pull out the short-term target for this, we'll go from the top of the, we'll do the descending triangle first. So we'll go from the top of there down to the bottom. And we'll pull this out to our breakout area. And as you can see, our initial target is right near the top right here. So we have met that target already. And also the way you find the target for a descending triangle, or excuse me, for a falling wedge is the top of the pattern. So we also have hit that right here. So we could possibly, if we don't break through this resistance line right here, more than likely we'll come down, probably form some type of pattern. Usually it is usually a descending triangle or even another falling wedge. Usually they like to repeat the patterns all the way up, but we will see how that plays out. Let's go over here and check out the RSI and see how we are looking. I'm gonna go over here to the 15-minute chart first and see what we are looking like. And one thing before I check out the RSI, we were talking about the other day, we did fill out the Fibonacci retracement tool. We came from the bottom of the low that we had into the top of our local high that we had recently. And as you can see, this area right here, this is the 0.27. This will be our next target area we want to look for if and when we do break out of here. This will be our next target. And the target after that will be the 0.618 area on the Fibonacci, which is around 33.22. But let me go over here, check out the RSI, see how we are looking. All right, so of course, short term on the 15-minute chart, we are overbought right now. You can see we are currently around the 75. So we probably will come back down to correct here, especially on the short term on the 15-minute chart. Stochastic is really high as well, so we will start coming back down and probably form some type of pattern, or maybe even come back down here to the 0.236 area, which is right there. Over here on the hourly, let's pull this out a little farther. All right, delete this. All right, and of course over here on the hourly, it is almost the same as the 15-minute chart. RSI is sitting really high. We are about 69, so we do have room to retrace and cool off for a little bit. Stochastic is right now overbought as well. We are up here, so I do expect at least, of course, if we don't break through this area right here, I do expect a very short-term correction, not very low, but just a short-term correction. Over here on the 4-hourly, RSI is sitting right around the 59 area, which is really decent. Stochastic has come up here. We are sitting around the 50 area. Of course, we do have all this room to play with in the long term. And let's check over the daily. All right. Drag this over here. All right, so over here on the daily, the RSI is sitting right around the 67 area. Stochastic has not changed very much from yesterday. We are still curving upward, which is a good sign. And like we had mentioned yesterday, I do believe this will be the start of our next very long bull run. All right, so that's just a quick update for now. Not a whole lot going on, but of course we are. Let me go back to the 5-minute chart, see if we're getting anywhere. All right. So over here on the 5-minute chart, it looks like we did get rejected off of our trend line right here. So of course, again, we will probably come back down and form some type of pattern, or even back, of course, we said come back down here, test the Let me see what level this was. I think it was the 0.236 area, but probably come back down to this area, and then hopefully we'll head back up there. Well, that's a quick update for today. I will get you guys in tomorrow's video, and please make sure you do like and subscribe. And thanks again for everyone that is newly subscribed. I look forward to growing this channel and continuing to provide analysis. And as always, thanks again, and have a good evening, and take care. Thanks.